Hello, Dr. Wan. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is RAHIMI ARIF, and for the title for presentation today is Wood and the Environment. So first of all, I'd like to introduce my group mates, me, myself, Rahimi, and then we have Ken, Chenwa, Sira Emma, Mary, and ZULHAKIMI. So I'll be explaining a bit of environmental climate science. So environmental climate science, as you know, that climate change involves temperature, and the higher temperature nowadays, and then affecting global warming and also greenhouse effects, which causes the rise in ocean sea levels and also the melting ice. So what causes this phenomenon to be happen? Because of human activities such as burning fossil fuels and also transportation like cars, which emitting carbon dioxide gas. So how to prevent this from happening, getting much more critical, is by having trees to maintain the ecosystem which stores carbon dioxide gas, and also providing better quality of air and a cleaner river stream for ecosystem. So that's all from me. So further explanation on other subtopic will be explained by my group mates. Thank you.
Again, I will talk about the environmental life cycles. Environmental life cycles is about procedure examining the input and output of materials and energies. The stated environment impact direct contribute to the function of a product or a service systems through the life cycle. It can be defined as a study of a product or process environment impact beginning with raw material extraction, production, consumption, and waste treatment. For each of these phase, an inventory of material energy use as well as emission to the environment will be created. There are four phases of environmental life cycles. First is goal of product, life cycle inventory, impact analysis, and improvement of analysis.
Hi everyone, I am Chen Wan. Now I'm going to talk about the effect of invasive species in the woods. As we know, invasive species are mentioned to all species that come to an ecosystem that they shouldn't belong to and start to change the environment. These species can be animals, fungus, plants, or bacteria. Invasive species can bring a lot of damage to the environment, starting with diseases, and lastly, could lead to the elimination of native species. Here are some few examples of invasive species of plants, which are Ailanthus artissima, Anas glutinosa, and Acacia myrci. Most of these invasive species are hardly to be destroyed or eliminated.
Hi, my name is ASSYRA Emma. Today I'm going to talk about demand and sustainability. As our planet keeps on warming faster than before, a lot of species and trees are in great danger, especially animals. Some species can adapt well to the climatic changes, while some can't. They need to have the ability to adapt well in these extreme changes, or they might not survive. The evolution of a species might happen because they have this genetic variability, where they have the best chance to adapt well, seeing that a natural selection can occur when there is enough variation within the groups of the species. A campaign to protect trees and woods can save hundreds, thousands of treated woods and ancient old trees by influencing the public to recognize the importance of trees and woods in our daily lives. Along with this, we need to start planting trees in order to tackle the climate changes. It is crucial to plant the trees in the right place where they can thrive well in this environment.
Hello, my name is Mary. I'm going to talk about sustainable forestry management. First are the afforestation and restoration. Replanting forests after harvesting contribute to ecologically sustainable forestry. It's also enlarged forest area on our planet. Next are the selective logging and thinning. In addition, specific training booths for foresters are important so that they could distinguish which tree could be harvested and how to treat tree diseases or pest infestation to save tree and mitigate losses. And ultimately, removal of mature trees either by clear cutting or prescribed burning can also contribute to forest health and stimulate offspring growth. Lastly, continuous monitoring which enable remote control of the forest death are vital so the organization can timely respond to deviation, it is illegal logging.
As for the conclusion, wood does play a vital role for the environment, but it is also heavily impacted by the changes happening around them. We have learned that trees act as a carbon storage inside the wood. Therefore, this can reduce the CO2 gas in the atmosphere. Next, we learn the life cycle analysis. This is basically the wood production process, starting from planting young trees into the forest until they become the wood that we use today. Third is invasive species. This is important as more invasive species are established into their new environment, the more damage that will be done. And lastly, we learn the demand and sustainability, where we learn how to adapt to the species decline by replanting them, and how to preserve the wood that has been produced by using some kind of chemical preservatives. My name is ZULHAKIMI, and thank you for listening.